You won't believe how strong, green and full of fruit tomatoes can be with this simple organic top dressing. A question for you right at the beginning. Do you grow tomatoes? Just write yes or nitrogen monoxide in the comments. Tomatoes are the king of every garden, but in order for them to give us lots of juicy and tasty fruits, they must be properly fed without regular and high-quality top dressing. Plants lag behind in growth, turn yellow, are attacked by diseases, and in the end, the fruits are small and tasteless. That's why organic top dressing is invaluable. It not only nourishes the plant, but also strengthens the soil, increases its resistance and contributes to a healthier garden without chemicals. And the best part, everything you need for this top dressing you already have at home. You don't need to wander around looking for expensive artificial fertilizers that are actually not that good and are not healthy for you and the environment. If you found the video useful, click like, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Let's help each other grow healthy food. Thank you for your support. And now, what you've been waiting for. When you hear it, I'm sure you'll be surprised and delighted because you've finally discovered the best thing for the health and good fruits of your tomatoes. The secret ingredient is ordinary wood ash. Wood ash contains potassium, calcium, magnesium, and numerous microelements that tomatoes love. It helps form strong stems, larger fruits, and reduces the occurrence of diseases. Recipe: 2 tablespoons of wood ash dissolve them in 1 liter of water. Let it stand for 24 hours. Strain and water the plants directly at the root once every 15 days. Who has already used ash in the garden? Write in the comments your experience. Don't forget, nature gives us everything we need. We just need to know how to use it. See you in the next video.